Okay, so here's going to be where you keep all your vocab that we learned for this semester. Usually, what we would have is a paper version of a little packet. If we do have in class sessions, I highly recommend that you still do write down the vocab words by hand because it does help. But here's going to be digitally how you'll keep track of all the vocab words that we learned because we learn a ton. So, first thing first, obviously type your name here. And then, as you can see, if you click on these little boxes, they're going to take you to different slides that will have the different units there. Now, I filled in all of the units with the words we're going to be learning. However, please make sure you only type the definitions that are going to be found on Quizlet that I will post. So that means you should not be going through all of these before or ahead of time because the words can mean different things depending on how you use them. So I want to make sure you have the words that we're going to have for our assessment. So for Unit 1, for example, you'll have the Unit 1 Quizlet. You'll go through and you'll type in what's on Quizlet so that it matches it. And then you can change the font if you'd like, but otherwise, this is your resource. So you're going to type directly on here. Once the new unit is posted, you'll be told to, go to the unit tab and then you're going to fill in the new unit. So we're going to do this throughout the rest of the semester. We don't know if we'll be in person or not. One thing to note is that there is a section for extra vocabulario. So this is going to be 4.0. So these are words that you could find during Duolingo or additional research time. You look up something and you find it. And if you use these words on your assessments, you could get a 4.0. So that is using additional words, references on your own, and that is going to get you to that next level. So it might not get you 4.0 for the first time, but it could help get you to that 3.0 or 2.5, etc. There's a table of contents if you ever get lost. So in this corner, you can just click on table of contents and it'll always take you back. If when you're studying, if you wanted to do in present mode, you could just present right through and you can still click on those tabs and they'll have you go directly to it. So I want to go to Unit 3 now and you can work through it. Otherwise, though, you'll be working on it during the editing mode and add it on as we go through each unit. Reach out with any questions.